Lesson 4.2, we're going to write algebraic expressions. Refer to your keyword chart that's been provided on Canvas. Example 1, we're going to write each phrase as an algebraic expression. Part A, we have the product of 5 and x. When you see the word product, looking back to your keyword chart, that tells us we're dealing with multiplying. And so we're multiplying 5 and x. So that's just 5 times x, which we can write beside each other because a number times a letter can be written right beside each other. 5x. B part, 24 less than a number. When you see the phrase less than, that tells you you're subtracting, but when you see the word than, it also means that you are swapping the order. So less than or more than, swap the order of the terms. So 24 less than a number, and we could represent that number with any letter for a variable. We'll just call it n for number. So 24 less than means subtract from a number. So we get n minus 24. C part, the difference of 3 times a number and 7. Well, difference tells us we're subtracting, and it says 3 times a number. That's 3 times some number, we could call it n, and 7. So we're saying 3n minus 7 since it's a difference. D part, 4 times the sum of a number and 2. We're seeing times the sum. When you see a phrase like that where it's talking about multiplying by a sum or a difference, then it's multiplying by a group. So the sum, it has a group that we're adding. So the sum of a number n and 2. So n plus 2, and it's 4 times that. So we could write it as 4 times n plus 2. 4 times the sum of n plus 2. And we're finished with that one. Example 2a, Mr. Campbell drives 55 miles per hour. Write an expression for how far he drives in h hours. So we're looking for his distance in h number of hours, and we're given that he drives 55 miles per hour. So we could say 55 times h. B part, attending the county fair costs $6 admission plus $1.50 per ticket. Write an expression to show how much it costs to attend the fair. Okay, so we see that there is $1.50 per ticket. So I might note that there's $1.50 per ticket. That's $1.50 times t, number of tickets, would be the cost of all the tickets. There is also a $6 admission. Now you only pay admission one time to enter the fair. So we're just adding that $6 one time. So we get $1.50 t plus 6.